How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create threads in the FreeCAD software. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your project. From here, just click on the port design, create body, and then create sketch. Select a plane. And from here, let's then draw a rectangle. Click close. And then let's simply extrude this rectangle. So it's going to be this exact button right here. Right after, let's now create the thread hole. So I'm going to be selecting the top of my square. Click create sketch. And then of course, we can now draw the hole by clicking on our circle tool. And in this way, I'll go ahead and place it something like 3.5 millimeters. I'm good with this one. And then from here, click on close. And then you want to use this specific function right here. This will then create the hole for our square. So in here you can then update your profile. So I'm going to be selecting the isometric regular profile. Make sure that it's threaded, model thread, and then click on the custom clearance if you want to do that. But finally, just click on the update thread view after editing, and then this will transform our hole onto a threaded hole, as you can then go ahead and see right here. To edit out its size, you can just navigate through the size drop down menu, and then let's say that we want to transform it into something like an M5. This will then update the thread hole right here. Now that you have your thread hole, just click on OK. And basically, that's about it on our thread hole. So to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and create a new project right here. Click on create body, create sketch. And then once again, you want to select a plane. So I'm going to be selecting this plane right here. And from here, we are going to use the circle tool once more. And then, of course, you can customize this to whatever you want to. You then want to select the constraint radius, which is going to be on the drop-down menu right here. Constraint radius, click on your circle. And then in my case, I'll make it 5 millimeters. Click on OK, click close. And then once again, you want to extrude your shape right here. Now from there, instead of part design, you want to change this into something like the fasteners. Now, if the fasteners is not showing up right here, that means that we did not install the add-on yet. So just navigate through tools, click add-on manager, and then simply search for fasteners right here. Click on the fasteners workbench, and simply inside, click install. And basically inside the fasteners category, just select this option right here. Now, you also want to make sure that you have restarted your FreeCAD right after installing the add-on. So just click on this function, and basically it will apply some additional shape right here. And basically on the side category, just right click on the threaded rod, click transform, and you just want to make sure that they integrate with each other. So in my case, I'm fine with this one. And basically the last thing to do is to just click on the threaded rod, and then on this page, we have the thread option. Just make sure that this is set to true, and then you are basically good to go. And so once again, of course, you can customize this to whatever you want to. For example, we have something like the additional shapes, diameter, and more. But that's about it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.